Hey folks, I want to welcome you out here. We're in Kent today at one of my listings. This is Pantera Nuvos. It's a 55 plus community. You see here we are. We're located in cul-de-sacs, got guest parking. It's built in 1989 and it's a 60 by 28. It's actually the largest one in here. This is an area of only 15 modulars in here. And so as you can see, overall, everything's pretty well maintained here. The home itself offers 2 bedrooms, a bonus room. You can see the deck we have over here as well. So we'll go ahead and kind of gander on around, like that gander word. But anyway, coming into this, as you can see, it's got storage galore. You've got a little shop on the front, and it also offers a storage unit in the back. So you can see it is wired. There is electrical here as well. Natural lighting as well as lighting in here. It's got its own breaker box as well. And you're located moments from anywhere, shopping and stuff just down the street, all the wonderful things you want. One of the things I want to show you is you do have a ramp goes ahead for wheelchair access. So coming up this, you can see it'll take you onto the actual deck itself. Skirts and everything are on, screens are on, well maintained, painted a couple of years ago. So as we sit there and come in the door, I want you to see you do have covered parking for 2 vehicles, and you've got sufficient height where if you've got a higher sitting vehicle. Coming into the utility room, you can see full-size appliances, skylights as well, room for additional refrigerator, what have you. But you also have additional storage here as well, so that's a plus. See the heater for the furnace and everything. Utility closet in here as well. Home has 2 full bathrooms. So coming in here, you can see you've got natural lighting here as well. Very, very good condition, well maintained. Full-size tub has the full one piece, so very good for that. Coming into the secondary bedroom here, you can see right now they're in the process of moving, but as you can see, full size bed would go in here as far as a queen. Even you could go as far as a king if you wanted to, but you can see full size closet coming around. Windows and everything were updated not so long ago, so you've got the vinyl wrapped windows, and you can see this is a large room. You've got ceiling fan in here as well. Carpet all the way throughout. Flooring here is done laminate. It's got vinyl in the other rooms. Do have a bonus room here that's currently used as an office, as you can see. Fans here. High ceilings in here as well. Right now they're just using it as an office area. Like I said, forgive the boxes. They're in the process of moving. But in here, like I said, there is no closet. This is truly something that can be used as another family room, den, or as an office. Coming into the kitchen area, you can see in here we've got very nicely laid out, lots of cabinet space. Got the island in here, kind of a double island. Dishwasher, stove, refrigerator. It's got the hooded vent fan, and like I say, cabinets galore here. Skylights, all natural. Backing out of that, you can see we have the formal dining room. So the formal dining room area sits there and lets you put full-size table. They do have the leaf for this one to expand it out. So if you're looking to have a bigger table and stuff like that, it will actually fit very well. Coming into the living room area, as you can see, nice large living room. Just whether you do a sectional or if you just want to do regular couch, love seat, what have you. They do have the wood-burning fireplace in here. It has been inspected, so it is certified and ready to go. As I said, the windows had been updated not too long ago, so you've got the vinyl wrapped windows. Coming in here, just to look around and let you see, you can see that this truly is a very good sized unit. Gonna come around here to the master bedroom. As we come back to the master, you can see that it's got the French doors going into the bathroom area, but just to give you kind of a pan around look in here, ceiling fans in here as well, full-size bed. I'll go ahead and kind of pull back a little bit so you can see that you can get a Full set of bedroom furniture in here is not a problem. You turn around, you got the dressers in here right now. You've got the bed with the big headboard and everything like that, ceiling fan, walk-in closet. You can see the closet's very good size. Coming in, got room galore, so you do have a very good sized closet in here. Pulling out, I want to show you the, so you can see, big room. Coming in the master bath here. You kind of got the step down tub, which is nice, so step up, step down, relax, but full size tub. Skylights in here. Got the shower, so it's actually a 4-piece, not a 5-piece. I don't have the double sinks, but very, very well laid out. Very nice place. And like I said, it's not that many units in here, so you only have 15 units here, and in a cul-de-sac in the back, so that makes it nice. Let you peek in the closet. You can see you got the closet for when you come in the main entry. Coming out on the deck here, bring you out. You can see you've got the covered deck, and like I said, in the process of moving, but full-size deck for entertaining or just sitting out here. Don't have anybody really looking in your windows or anything here. I'll take you around. You can see we've got another shed in the back here, so if you want additional storage, you've got that as well. I'll walk you around a little bit. Let you see the side here. You can see coming up, you've got nice spacing between the units, so you don't have somebody looking right in your windows. But you can see we've got the air conditioner, heat pump, and all that right there, which is nice. And then coming back, I'll walk you around and give you a good look at the other side here. So you can see there's additional here where you got the skirting all the way around. Coming up to the front, or I would say the side at this point. As you can see, I showed you before, you've got the ramp here taking you up onto the deck. This is the back of the shed area. And back out here into the cul-de-sac. So once again, out here in Kent, if you have any questions, feel free to go ahead, call, text, email, find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, all the fun spots to find people. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful day.